Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze mini nje. Umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa kanye namalungu ambalwa obuholo obuphezulu benhlangano bahambele eRobben Island njengoba namhlanje leli qembu lihlanganisa iminyaka eyi-113 lasungulwa.
The charge has been withdrawn because there's no insufficient evidence to support that charge of sexual grooming.
Selihoxisiwe elinye lamacala abhekene nomlisa oneminyaka engama-28 osolwa ngokukhulelisa intombazane eneminyaka eyi-13 eLimpopo, kepha usazoqhubeka nokubhekana necala lokudlwengula nelihlehliselwe ukuze-ke uqhubeke uphenya.
The present manner of publication has been followed for at least 3 consecutive years. Why should this year be treated differently? I therefore conclude that the matter is not urgent and should be struck from the roll.
Inkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli isichithile isicelo sesikhungo esibhekele ukushicilela kwemininingwane sokuvimba ukukhishwa kwemiphumela kamatikuletsheni emaphephandabeni ngesonto elizayo.
Yes, we didn't start the year well. We lost in Cape Town, but we're looking forward to the game. It's our 3rd game at home here at FNB Stadium.
Kunemidlalo ye-Betway Premiership emithathu namhlanje kusihlwa kanti iqembu beligubha iminyaka engama-55 lasungula iKaizer Chiefs lizobeke libheke ukujabulisa abalandeli balo emidlalweni walo neStellenbosch FC. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala. Igama lami nginguDawud Phungula. Umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa kanye namalungu ambalwa obuholo obuphezulu benhlangano bahambele eRobben Island ekuseni namhlanje lapho ekwakuboshwe khona ezinye zezingqalabutho ze-ANC. I-ANC ithi ukuvakashela kwabo kule ndawo kuwuphawu lokuhlonipha nokukhumbula ukuzinikela kwamalungu adela impilo yawo elwela-ke umzabalazo nenkululeko yezwe.
And as we pay tribute to those who formed the ANC on this day in 1912, we are also able to look forward to a future of the African National Congress and be able to say from this Robben Island, which occupies an important place in our history, that indeed this place carries many lessons for our movement as we chart the way forward for rebuilding our movement. Here we draw that inspiration from the leaders who were here. They were not broken, much as they were put in isolation cells for life. They retained in them the spirit of defiance, the spirit of struggle, and they knew that the movement that they had come to prison for, and indeed other liberation movements who were also here, they all knew as leaders that the struggle of our people would continue.
Kusenjalo njengoba i-ANC bungaza iminyaka eyi-113 yasungula kuleli sonto kubhekwe neqhaza elabanjwa ngabanye abaholi balo leli qembu okubalwa kubo noJohn Langalibalele Dube.
Ngoba i-ANC bungaza ukuhlanganisa iminyaka eyi-113 yasungulwa kubhekwe neqhaza lowengameli iqembu okokuqala okunguJohn Langalibalele Dube. Eyintweni ezenziwa uDube kubalwa nokusungula kwakhe isikole ohlanga high. Umzukulu wakhe uchaze ngomsuka leli igama.
Yes, there is a meaning. If you look back in history, this area was called Ohlanga area, emanating from Uhlanga, which is a reed. So there is that interpretation with which our people associated themselves to say these were the origins of the people of the area, inferring it to Ohlange. eventually this area, then the name resonated then with the locals and the various communities. This area is still known as Ohlange.
Kusenjalo, omunye walabo ababesondelene kakhulu noNelson Mandela okungudokotela Pule Majo uchaze ngokwakwenzeka ngesikhathi bedingisiwe.
We were asked to travel to Tanzania, where we would meet the ANC leadership, which would then explain to us what the plans for us were. And some of us were sent to different universities abroad.
Dokotela kubeke wathi njengoba babebancane nangeminyaka babengenandaba nomngozi.
I don't believe we were showing braveness. I think we were actually ignorant of the dangers. And as young people, we didn't care really.
Umholo wokuqala nqawe ANC okungulanga libalele Dube wazalwa ngo1871 wabeseshona ngo1946. Silindo kuhle ngidi eindabeni zeSABC.
Abameli bomholi weqembu umkhonto wesizwe uJacob Zuma babhalelwe nobhala jikelele weANC ufikile eMbalula befuna ukuthi kubuyisele uZuma njengelungu leANC. Lokhu kuhambisana naloko abameli bakhe bathi ukulandela umthetho sisekelo weANC kanye nowezwe. iANC yaxoxa ngokusemthethweni uJacob Zuma kuzo zonke izinhlaka zeqembu ngoNtulikazi ngonyaka wedlule emva kokuthi uZuma edlulise lolu daba ikomidi elibhekelela ukudluliswa kwezinqumo zokuqondisa ubugwegwe kweANC kuzwelonke laqinisekisa ukumiswa kaZuma ngolwezi ngonyaka wedlule. uZuma wabe kuyicala ngemva kwesimemezelo asenza mhla ziyishumi-nesithupha ngoZibandlela ka-2023 sokweseka iqembu umkhonto wesizwe. Abameli bakhe bafuna olunye ulwazi mayelana-ke nokuxosha kwakhe banikeze iANC isikhathi ukuze kubeke isekupheleni kwale nyanga ukuba-ke iqembu liphendule ngezinto abazifunayo.
Mischief, and we treat it as such, and it's mischief because he was engaged by the organization at various levels. And in terms of the ANC constitution as its guidance, so and going to respond to any other thing. It seeks to divert us from this occasion of 113th year. He had an opportunity to send his love letter many days ago. He didn't, but he chose this day. That's how he works, that's how he operates. Mischievous, uncouth, ridiculous old men who basically thrive on disunity for his own self-interest. That's what he does. He doesn't serve South Africa. He doesn't serve the ANC. He doesn't serve our people. He serves himself. Himself and only himself. That's what he is. And his days of misleading our people are numbered because they will see him for who he is.
Inkantolo ephakeme eNorth Gauteng esePitoli senqume ukuthi ukushicelelwa kwemphumelo kamatikuletsheni ka-2024 kuzoqhubeka njengoba bekuhleliwe. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuthi le nkantolo isichithe nezindleko isicelo esiphuthumayo sesikhungo esilawula ukushicelelwa kwemininingwane sokuvimbela umnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo ukuthi ushicelele imphumelo kamatikuletsheni emaphephandabeni.
Ethula isinqumo sakhe ngalolu daba ijaji uRonel Tolmay udalule ukuthi isicelo sesikhungo esibhekele ukushicilelwa kwemininingwane asiphuthumi ngokwanele ngakho ke imiphumela izoshicilelwa emaphephandabeni njengoba bekuhleliwe.
The present manner of publication has been followed for at least 3 consecutive years. Why should this year be treated differently? I therefore conclude that the matter is not urgent and should be struck from the roll. I make the following order. The application is struck from the roll due to lack of urgency. The applicant is ordered to pay the cost of the first to the 5th respondents The costs to include costs of two counsel where applicable on Scale C.
Ngakolunye uhlangothi umnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo usamukele lesinqumo wathi uzoqhubeka nokucubungula indlela lesikhungo esisebenza ngayo.
It's not just the Department of Basic Education, by the way. All of us, as long as you handle information that belongs to people, you need to comply with the Act. So here, this situation should actually be an eye-opener for anyone. Whether you are in private or public sector, it doesn't matter. You need to pay attention to what is happening in this process because you too might end up here if you don't comply.
It's also a win for the matriculants who were anxious that they were not going to see their matriculation numbers in the papers. So we are very relieved. We see that as a victory for public interests, and we are glad that they will have the same opportunity that matriculants had in previous years.
Akukacaci ukuthi information regulator izoqhubeka yini nezinye izinyathelo zomthetho, kepha okwamanje imiphumela kaMatric izoshicilelwa emaphephandabeni njengoba bekuhleliwe. Umbiko uSihle Dlamini wezindaba ze-SABC.
Selihoxisiwe linye lamacala abhekene nomlisa oneminyaka engama-28 osolwa ngokukhulelisa intombazane neminyaka eyi-13 eLimpopo. Kepha kusazoqhubeka nokubhekana necala lokudlwengula nehlehlisiwe ukuze kuqhubeke uphenyo.
Okhulumela uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi uthi leli cala lihlehlisiwe ukuze kuqhubeke uphenyo lwamaphoyisa.
The charge has been withdrawn because there's no insufficient evidence to support that charge of sexual grooming. So we're left with the charge of statutory rape.
Kanti uphiko lwabesifazane lwe-ANC eLimpopo luthi lwenza ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuqhubeka nokweseka izisulu emacaleni okunukubezwa kwezingane ngokunjalo namacala odlame olweyamene nobulili.
As the ANC Women's League, we do have a responsibility of ensuring that the rights of the children are protected. And according to Child's Act, a child who is below the age of 16 is regarded as a minor. And equally, if you sleep with a child which is below the age of 16, that is statutory rape. And we are aware that statutory rape by law is a criminal offense.
Owengamele umnyango wezempilo kulesifundazwe uthi kufanele zonke izinhlangano zomphakathi kanye namalungu omphakathi zibhukule kulwisane nalesihlava.
We are saying to parents, don't let friends parent your child, because if the parenting is happening outside your space, then you won't be able to have control or to understand what is happening with your child. So we believe that if we have that strengthened relationship between parents and children, then we would know early what is happening with our kids.
Umsolwa usilaxazile isicelo sebheyili.
Sisathi ku ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthi
I have been approached and requested to assist Mr. Sibiya in the conduct of his defense.
Advocate Charles Mnisi uyena osezomela umsola wokuqala ecaleni lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa. Umuzi Sibiya ngemva kokushona obe ngummeli wakhe Advocate Thulani Ngumezulu. Sikubingelele sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibika ukuthi umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa kanye namalungu ambalwa obuholo obuphezulu benhlangano bahambele ke-Robben Island njengoba leli qembu lihlanganisa iminyaka eyi-113 lasungulwa ke namhlanje. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi indaba zikhona ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinga ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzosithola. Advocate Charles Mnisi ucela ukuba amele umsola umuzi Sibiya njengoba besengasanayo ummeli emva kokudlula emhlabeni kwammeli wakhe Advocate Thulani Ngumezulu ecaleni lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa. uSibiya ke uvumile ukumelwa ngumnisi.
Emva kokudlula emhlabeni kuka-Advocate Thulani Ngumezulu kwaba nesicelo sokuthi Advocate Thulani Mnisi amele umuzi Sibiya njengoba engesenaye ummeli.
I have been approached and requested to assist Mr. Sibiya in the conduct of his defense. which request I have acceded to. However, there are still some final details that need to be finalized with regard to the paperwork, because as of now, there's literally nothing that I can start to do with regard to consultation with Mr. Mncube on the matter, because I don't have the power of attorney as yet.
Ijaji ke libe selifuna ukuqinisekisa ukuthi uSibiya uyavuma yini ukumelwa uMnisi.
So you have at least given him instructions to represent you.
That is correct, my lord.
And your parents, have you notified them of that arrangement?
That is correct, my lord.
Are you agreeable, and are they also agreeable that you should be, from henceforth, be represented by Advocate Mnisi?
That is correct.
Inkantolo ke iguqele umhlazi ngama-20 kwephezulu nalapho kulindeleke ukuthi uAdvocate Sandile Mshololo aqhubeke nokupheka ngemibuzo uGinindam.
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela Aaron Motsoaledi uthi akucaci ukuthi zizovulwa nini kabusha noma sizovulwa kanini isibhedlela iGeneral Dillery eLichtenburg esifundazweni iNorthwest. Lesi sibhedlela esinamawodi amane sivalwe ngomsombuluko ngemva kokugcwala ke amanzi ngempela sonto. Imvula enamandla esifundazweni ibe nomthelela ke ezibhedlela ezintathu.
Isikhukhula esibhedlela iGeneral Dillery zimbangela amapayipi amanzi angasebenzi ngendlela efanele endaweni.
That means 10% of rain that should have fallen in the whole year fell in one day. But found where did Zobotla come in? Found their drainage system not working, as lots of things are not working in this municipality. So instead of the water getting drained, it found its way through the gate and flew like a river into the hospital and enter through the doors. As you can see, this is theater, but they tell me that the water here was ankle deep.
Akukacaci kahle ukuthi lesibhedlela sizovulwa nini.
The staff here, led by the CEO and the district, were targeting Friday. Today is Tuesday, Friday, but I told them from what the engineers told me that we need to be very careful.
Kusenjalo umnyango wezempilo uthi kuzoqokwa usonkontileka maduze ozolungisa isibhedlela. Ukulungiswa kwesibhedlela kulindele ukuthi kuqale kuleli sonto.
Ubugebengu obudlalubi kanye namathimba ezigelekeqe bekuseqhulwini embizweni yamaphoyisa ebese Atlantis eWest Coast eKapa. Iphini likaNgqongqoshe uCastle Mathale kanye noPauli Boshilo bahambeleke lo mhlangano okuliwa ke nobugebengu. Amaphoyisa athi inhloso yalo mhlangano ukuthola izisombululo ezinohlonze enkingeni yobugebengu ekhungethe umphakathi. Ungqongqoshe wezokubuyiselwa komhlaba nokuthuthukiswa kwezindawo ezisemakhaya uMzwanele Nyotho uthi ke azihambisani ke nomthetho noma ngasihambisani nomthetho isinqumo sengonyama yesizwe samaZulu mesizulu kaZwelithini sokuhlakaza noma sokumisa ibhodi lengonyama trust.
The board can only be appointed by the minister after consulting the king, who is the sole trustee, after consulting the premier of the province, after consulting the chairperson of the House of Traditional Leaders, of course, who is representing Amakos. So after that, the minister can appoint 8 members of the board, 4 by the king, 4 in communicating with the king. But even to dissolve, you are following the same route. Now, as I've said in my statement, that the board, as appointed by the previous minister, remains in place until the minister decides otherwise. We were already in communication with the board, with the minister, with everyone, with the premier, because remember I met with the king and he raised all the issues against the board. And I will explain to him that there are processes, we must listen to both sides of the story. We can't just go out there and dissolve the board without following processes.
Owengamele ezemali nokuthuthukiswa komnotho eGauteng uLebogang Mayile uzichithile insolo zokuthi lesi sifundazwe sikhungethwe ngezinkinga zemali kulonyaka wemali.
Owengamele ezemali eGauteng Lebogang Mayile usenikeze isiqiniseko ngesimo sezemali uthe uhulumeni wesifundazwe usebenzisa amaphesenti angama-80 sabelomali samabhiliyoni ayi-160 zamarandi kwasala amabhiliyoni angama-53 amarandi kulo nyaka wemali kuze kube undasa nonyaka.
This expenditure is mainly driven by education and health departments, which account for 80% of the total expenditure. The Gauteng Department of Health expenditure is 46.1 billion or 69.8% against the adjusted appropriation of 66.17 billion.
Umayile ugcizelele ukuthi isikweletu sama e-tolls saseGauteng sizoba nomthelela omkhulu esikhwameni kulesifundazwe.
What I'll say, competing priorities. Everything is important. Education is important, health is important. In the public service you can't say that's not important, this is important. Everything is important.
Umayile ubuye wagcizelela ukuthi nakuba isifundazwe sibhekene nezingqinamba kodwa isimo sisalawuleka.
Umndeni kaWinnie Khumalo bengumculi odabuka eSoweto uthi ukudlula emhlabeni kwalomculo kushiye uphuke izinhliziyo. Uzokhunjelelwa kakhulu icwecwe lakhe elisihloko sithi Live My Life.
Abangani kanye nomndeni womculi Winnie Khumalo basazama ukwamukela ukudlula emhlabeni kwakhe Khumalo. Icwecwe lalomculi elithi I Just Wanna Live My Life laba impumelelo lamenza waba ngundabze kwayo.
She gave us that motherly love. Whenever things are going wrong, she will always be saying, no, don't do this, do that. Advising, putting it like a mother. But in a very funny way. She's strict, but in a funny way. So I guess we have lost, one great woman.
Ukudlula emhlabeni kaKhumalo kube yinto ebingalindelekile emndenini wakhe.
We thought she was recovering. She did say she's not feeling well. The eldest of us, because we are 4 girls, the oldest sister called me and told me that she's not really doing well, and she was rushed to the hospital. And upon arrival, unfortunately, that's where she was pronounced dead.
Dade wabo kaKhumalo uthe uzokhumbula indlela beyinikela ngayo lo mculi mangabe efuna into. Khumalo ushiye emhlabeni indodana yakhe nendodakazi yakhe okunguthando noRithabile kanye nabazukulu bakhe abathathu.